I picked up these two fence panels at the Dollar Tree, and I started by painting them with Wise Owl white primer. These are plastic, and I knew that the primer would adhere to it. And I'm not worrying about full coverage. This is giving me that vintage look. You can see a little bit of the black showing through. I only applied one coat, and I did this on both fence panels and allowed them to dry. Once dry, I took one of the panels and I cut off the stakes at the bottom of the panel. And I just did this on one of them. I lined them up together, and using the stakes from the second panel, I'm going to now apply E6000 and a little bit of hot glue to those stakes. The hot glue just gives me instant hold, but the E6000 is what you're going to need to keep these together. I'm going to put that aside to dry. I found this box at Hobby Lobby. It was the perfect length, but it was kind of more like an off-white, so I painted it with the Wise Owl white primer. I used my blow dryer to take the sticker off the bottom, and I painted the bottom. The bottom needed to be painted because it's gonna be visible. I even thought if maybe a plastic window box would be great for this as well. Once that dried, I took my fence on its back side and I'm pre-drilling into the fence, into the box, and I'm going to be using these screws to screw the fencing into the box. And when you go to hang this, you're going to want to put your hangers in the box, as the fence probably isn't going to be able to hold the weight. So that's where you're going to want to hang it from. And then I added some nice flowers inside this box. And I really hope you enjoyed this video. For other tutorials, go check us out on YouTube. You can now watch all our videos at chalkitupfancy.com. For any paint products, tissue paper transfer, or mesh stencils, chalkitupfancy.com. Thank you so much.